Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff, certified most accurate by WeatherRate.
Yeah, and sports has a special, which is right after the 6 o'clock newscast. So make sure you stick around, stay tuned. We'll have the latest on that. But you're looking off in the distance from our iDrive Arkansas camera. This, by the way, is RDOT, and there you see that traffic still being an issue. Well, at least the accident, but it's not really affecting traffic much. This, by the way, is Rogers Avenue, exit 8. This is looking southbound. And you can see the overpass, Rogers Avenue, just right underneath this camera, basically, looking southbound. So there's Hall Heating Cooling Mega Doppler. There's the heavy rain that came down and is starting to begin to move out. We got additional showers and storms popping up in southeast Oklahoma, and that's because of the backside of the low pressure system. This is a very intense low. There's no doubt about that. Thankfully, we aren't in what's called the warm sector, which is in between the cold front and the warm front and the low pressure system. That's where the severe weather is a little more prominent, which, by the way, there's been some nasty storms, and this is basically very much like a spring-like weather system as it zips to the east. So the severe weather risk for tonight, not going to happen. But we are officially under that level 1 out of 5, which is in the River Valley. Northwest Arkansas doesn't even have general thunderstorms. The farther south you go, the better the chance of storms, the greater the ingredients. Now, as we roll into our Saturday thunderstorms possible. There you see the severe weather risk. This is for Saturday afternoon into the evening. Severe weather risk shifting to the east. We look at the satellite and radar. You can see that weather system moving in and moving out. That's a pretty quick mover. So, yeah, we got some rain. Nothing to write home about by any means. A little bit of heavy rain in the River Valley. No flooding, no severe weather potential. As we move into the evening hours, that storm system moves out. However, still on the backside of the system, we can see additional isolated showers. So if you are traveling to Memphis, might be a better idea to do it tomorrow morning before the game instead of this evening or tonight, because you'll be encountering rain the entire time. Some of that rain will be heavy, reduced visibility, all that jazz. Now, as we move into the afternoon tomorrow, that system will still be moving out. Cloud cover will be on the decrease. I don't think it's going to rain, but there's a slight chance of an isolated shower. For the most part, though, those temperatures are going to be in the upper 50s at kickoff. Outdoors, beautiful weather compared to the last Liberty Bowl when Arkansas froze their fanny off, and along with the fans. You'll see here future tracks showing Saturday. We're backing up to the west because guess what? Another weather system's on the way. You can see those easterly winds, so severe weather most likely won't be happening, but definitely some rain and thunderstorm activity coming our way. Well, maybe lights are out at Waldron. That's our WeatherBug Network camera where the rain was coming down. You can see the rain real well. Perhaps maybe a heavy rain or maybe even an occasional lightning strike might have dropped the signal. 51 in Harrison. Oh, there it goes. Coming back online. 53 in Clarksville. There you see that rain falling. Northwest Arkansas showing those rain chances as they drop off throughout the early morning hours, and then they ramp back up as we go into our Saturday afternoon and evening. Goes up to 60% tomorrow, or should I say Saturday. Tomorrow, rain chances pretty minimal, maybe an isolated shower as that weather system swings through, but for the most part, should be dry tomorrow. Temperatures will be mild. River Valley, we're hovering in the upper 50s to lower 60s with those rain chances also increasing Saturday. So why is that? Well, this system, pretty intense, moving out. More active weather swinging in, perhaps a little bit of shower activity as that system moves through, but then it locks and reloads for another strong system. We won't see the severe weather ingredients. There you see the spin in the atmosphere, the dip in the jet stream. That makes its way eastward, and then after that, some cold air is coming our way as we approach the end of the year. In fact, you see this rain popping up on Saturday. That moves out. The rest of the weekend looking good. Tuesday, we got a system that zips off to the north, but it will be much colder as that cold front will be dragged into the area and dropping those temperatures. So for our Monday, we're in the mid-60s, but Tuesday, we're in the 40s. So that's a pretty big temperature drop. Morning lows will be close to freezing Tuesday morning. And now Wednesday morning to kick off 2025 for all those New Year's Eve parties, yeah, that's going to be pretty cold. So make sure you bundle up, probably right around freezing. River Valley will be close to freezing. And by the morning hours, as we kick off the new year, we've got 32 degrees for a low. Turning colder and cooler in the River Valley Thursday for the second day of January and the second day of 2025, 48 degrees. So